Everyone, welcome back to Shib. These things are not what you expect. Shiba Inu, there are only 2 days left. Shib news, the price of Shiba Inus went down at the end of 2022. As the new year starts, the bulls are trying to get back on top and return investors' money. It hasn't happened yet that the price of Shiba Inu has shown the bullish signs that buyers need to buy more Shib tokens. The December auction finished with a 13.3% drop in market value from the opening price because bulls were not able to start the expected end of year rally. We'll talk about in this movie. These things are not what you expect. The Shiba Inu. There are only 2 days left. Shib news. Please remember to share, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up if you want to see the most up-to-date information on Shiba Inu's expert research and price predictions. Let's begin the video right away. The price of Shiba Inu is 0.00000082 as of January 2nd. Even though the bulls are trying to change the story, shorter periods are still more bearish. The well-known joke coin will soon interact with the 21-day simple moving average SEMA. This is because the 8-day exponential moving average EMA was successfully turned into support. A bullish test of the 21-day SNE at 0.0.0000000834 could start a recovery into the middle of December's trading range, which is close to 0.000000000. There would be a 1% rise in the price of Shiba Inus if the bulls won. On the other hand, November's broken support zone is still limiting Shib. The 2022 low at 0.000000714 could be reached in a sweep the lows event if the December low at 0.000000078 is broken. The price of Shib will go down by 13.3% if the bearish situation comes true. Keep in mind that a 2020 unbroken liquidity zone is below 0.0000632, which is 30% below the area where prices are moving right now. Because of this, it would be silly to get into the market hoping for a knife-edge chance of a double bottom close to the yearly lows. Cryptocurrency buyers will be glad to start over in 2023 because the crypto winter has shut down the whole business and stopped the growth that started in 2021. Shiba Inu, a meme coin that lost 75% of its value in 2022 and had a market value of almost $4.9 billion, has been hit hard now that the year is almost over. One of the biggest Bitcoin exchanges in the world, FTX, is to blame. It recently went bankrupt and got a lot of bad press. Besides that, authorities are stepping in. Because of the failure of FTX, there is now uncertainty, which is bad for the rest of the business. Crypto bulls will say that now is a good time to buy the drop because the industry will have better times in the future, even though the future looks bad. There are several ways that the Shiba Inu bears could hurt the coin. To begin with, Shiba Inus aren't used for anything specific. For now, Shiba Inu only has the peer-to-peer payment features that almost all coins have. Some networks and tokens, on the other hand, can open certain areas or do certain jobs. This is partly because Shiba Inu is an ERC20 token, which is built on the Ethereum network and has certain properties like being fungible, transferable, and limited in number. There is a fixed supply of Shiba Inu, but investors don't gain from a good supply and demand situation since there are only 1 quadrillion tokens. The upcoming release of the beta version of Shibarium is one spur for Shiba Inu that does look interesting. Shibarium is a layer 2 scaling system that gives Shiba Inu more of their own network. It is based on Shiba Inu's language. If you use Shiba Inu, you might be able to get lower transaction fees. Shiba Inu is an ERC20 token, so when Ethereum gets busy, it also gets busy for Shiba Inu users, which drives up gas costs. Reports say that Shibarium will also have a burning feature that will help cut down on the huge number of Shiba Inus by destroying tokens with every exchange. Shiba Inu, the 16th largest cryptocurrency, would probably also benefit from the crypto business getting better. For this to happen, the Federal Reserve needs to stop raising interest rates so quickly, which is what it has been doing all year. Cryptocurrencies are one of the riskiest bets you can make, which are harder to judge than stocks, and when rates go up, they become less desirable. The Shiba Inu group seems to be full of energy and excitement to get over being tired from last year. The first 2 days of 2023 were a lot like the huge burn in 2022, though the daily burn of this popular joke coin has slowed down a bit since the crash last year. The burn transfer tracker Shiba says that the Shib army has taken out almost 250 million Shiba Inu coins in the last 2 days. On January 1st, 19,098,648 meme coins were sent to the Inferno wallet. After 9 deals, they got there. They had taken 159,808,000 coins and 13 transactions to dead wallets as of January 2nd. 895 Shib is no longer being used. Someone with an unknown address burned a total of 157,157,158,803 meme coins, erasing most of the leftover Shib in a single transfer. Because of this most recent burn, the total Shib burn rate has gone up to 115.6%. Within a few months of its start, Shibarium network. There are thousands of people who follow the main Twitter account for the Shibarium blockchain at Shibarium. There are over 33,900 people who follow the Shibarium network on Twitter. Just over a month ago, on November 7th, there were about 24,200 fans. In the long run, the Shibarium network will become a place where people can share and learn about everything related to the Shibarium Layer 2 network and protocol. The Shiba Inu team says that there are high hopes for Shibarium, their Layer 2 answer. This is clear from the huge number of followers they've gained on Twitter in less than a month. The main person who worked on Shiba Inu, Satoshi Kusama, tweeted about meeting with Unification, who built Shibarium, earlier this week. In what he wrote, he used the words aligning, onboarding, finalizing soon, and Shibarium soon. The Shiba-focused Twitter account SHIBVPP has previously shared pictures of Shib IB author Shib Trophius and Satoshi Kusama talking on Discord. It looks like Kusama said he was putting a nice bow on it, which most people understand to mean Shibarium. The documents will come first, then the test. Even though the official release date for Shibarium isn't known yet, Shib Trophius said. It looks like the beta testing stage is coming up quickly. The price of Bone Shiba swap has gone up 8% in the last day to 0.87 because the Shibarium test release is coming up soon. Bone would be given to validators as awards and used as gas for Layer 2 of Shibarium. Someone with the handle Shibip on Twitter says that Shib developers are almost done with the Shibarium updates. Shared a Discord message that Trophius, one of the network's main engineers, had written describing the next steps that would be taken before the much anticipated release of the Shibarium beta. In the Discord chat, Trophius made it sound like all the developers need to do to get the beta ready is release the Shibarium white paper. In the message that was shared, the developer also said that the website, document, and beta launch were the first steps. In a later tweet, the Shib celebrity also shared another message from Satoshi Kusama, which proved Trophius' claim. Kusama's Discord post says that engineers are putting together the last parts of the upgrade with changes to the organization and document releases before the Shibarium project starts. The core developers teased the Shiba Inu group about the launch of the Layer 2 protocol more than a year ago.